How to fix sponsor limit reached on Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix sponsor limit reached error on Cash App. Well, first things first, let's understand why this pop-up or error appears. If you see a sponsor limit reached message on Cash App, it means you have reached the maximum number of sponsored accounts allowed on your account. To fix this, you need to contact Cash App support directly, as there is no in-app option to increase the sponsor limit, and they may be able to review your situation and potentially allow you to sponsor additional accounts depending on your circumstances. Now, the key points to remember is that there is no self-fix, so you'll have to contact customer support. You can simply contact customer support either from the app or by heading into the browser and searching in for Cash App customer support. Now, Cash App may have limitations on the number of sponsored accounts to prevent potential abuse or fraud, so this is the reason for limit. So this is how we can fix sponsor limit reached error on Cash App. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.